Welcome back to our channel, where we provide solutions to common Windows 10 issues. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix the problem of Windows 10 not shutting down. If you're experiencing this issue and want to find a solution, follow these simple steps. Solution 1. Step 1. Open Control Panel and search for Power Options and choose Power Options. Step 2. From the left pane, choose what the power button does. Step 3. Choose Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Step 4. Make sure the box before Turn on Fast Startup is unchecked, then click Save Changes and close the window. Solution 2. Step 1. In the Start menu, please input CMD and choose Run as Administrator. Step 2. Type the following command, shutdown/P, and then press Enter. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix the issue of Windows 10 not shutting down. Your computer should now shut down immediately without installing or processing any updates. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 troubleshooting tips. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.